Mental health conditions, depression and anxiety. Depression is even more than merely feeling down or having a negative time. The person who has actually the mental ailment and has actually a mental wellness complication also has the symptoms of ADHD and a history of possessing psychiatric disorders that can easily avoid the condition coming from becoming a problem. Clinical depression isn't essentially a mental health problem. Individuals who likewise possess depression usually feel it. But clinical depression might likewise be a healthcare problem. You might have been residing along with clinical depression and really feeling it all time long. When a depressing state of mind lasts for a long opportunity and meddles with ordinary, everyday feature, you might be depressed. For many of the psychological wellness procedure, mood therapy is on call. In truth, depression might also be identified through mental health specialists as an ailment of prolonged emotional weakness. To deal with these problems, you need to understand your mental state first, that is, produce a psychological health and wellness document. To carry out this, the individual does not have to worry regarding the treatment coming. Signs and symptoms of anxiety feature: 1. Really feeling unfortunate or troubled often or all the opportunity, not wanting to carry out tasks that used to be cool, feeling cranky, easily frustrated or uneasy, having trouble dropping, sleeping or remaining sleeping, waking up as well early or sleeping as. If you believe you are depressed, chat with your doctor or a psychological wellness professional right away. Do you locate yourself with emotions of confusion concerning your sensations or misery when you believe concerning the feelings? Is it a lot more important to talk about the feelings in moderation? Do your clients feel that they are feeling good and that they possess an encounter that changes them even if they have no recognized signs and symptoms or achievable history of depression or anxiousness? This is specifically vital if your symptoms are acquiring worse or having an effect on your daily tasks. The signs and symptoms of a high temperature may vary, coming from cold, influenza and tiredness to intense dry-out sores. You may have signs that signify something isn't right. If you see the indicators, find medical focus right away. Causes for the fever: a lot of folks with a high temperature view a reddish touch with no indication of a fever or the demand for therapy. The precise cause of depression is unidentified. A study posted in Nature found that the very same antidepressant utilized in schizophrenia clients possessed antidepressant impacts that could possibly be revealed partly through the dopamine unit in the mind. In 2010, analysts in San Diego Condition appeared at a scenario research in which individuals with schizophrenia finished daily sessions of either SSRI antidepressants or placebo. The research study discovered a 50% reduction in the number of dopamine neurons in the hippocampus. It may be created by a blend of hereditary, natural, environmental, and psychological variables. Such factors might conflict with the capability of a single cell to take up the whole of this nutrient and therefore to maintain or even restore the unit. If this was the scenario, a genetic defect in the thyroid might avoid the process of enhancing this nutrient into an ideal nutrient for all cells. This flaw could lead to disease-causing mutations in cell genes involved in cellular growth, difference, metabolism, and growth. 2. Everyone is different, but the observing aspects might increase a person's possibilities of ending up being depressed. 1. Having loved ones who have possessed anxiety, experiencing stressful or difficult occasions, such as bodily or sex-related misuse, the fatality of a really loved one, or EC.